everyone, this is your friend Ashmita from Civil Center and welcome all of you back to our channel. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about how to calculate irregular land area or plot area from square feet to decimal. So as you can see guys, I have already drawn, this one is our regular area and this one is our irregular area. So at first, I will take you to the Excel sheet. So you can see here, we have some conversions like you should know before you are going to convert any plot area. Okay, so at first I will tell you about 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meter and 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Now in 1 inch there is 2.54 centimeter. So at last I have taken, that is 1 decimal is equal to 435.6 square feet. So as you can see, we are converting from square feet to decimal. We will convert in this video. So I will take you to the structural drawing. So you can see here, as I have said, this is our regular surface. So this length is, this L is our 50 feet and this B is our 40 feet. So in this video, I will provide you two methods. So you can easily find by two methods, any of the two methods. Okay. So, and this is our irregular. So you can see here in the irregular area, we have different lengths like 27 feet 6 inches, 47 feet 2 inches, 49 feet 8 inches, and this one is our 26 inches. So in this video, I am going to cover two methods. So let's start. So first of all, I will take the irregular area. Because why I am taking irregular area? Because this regular area, if you will take the regular area, simply you can find the area of this by multiplying 50 feet into 40 feet. So likewise, you will get easily the area of this regular surface. But we find difficulty in converting from square feet to decimal in our irregular surface, because we don't have any particular formula for finding this. Okay, so this is very simple. You have to just calculate the area for regular one. Just calculate the area and divide it by decimal, that is 437.50. Okay, and you will get the per how many decimal the land is. Okay, so we generally find difficulty in this irregular surface. So I am going to start with this irregular one. So in this Excel sheet, I have already written the sizes, means the different types of length I have just already said and discussed also. So first of all, we will have to convert it into feet. Like you can see, 27 feet and 6 inches. So you will have to convert these 27 feet 6 inches into feet, into a complete feet. So that's why you can see here I have converted feet into inches. So next one is our 26 feet. So as it is, it will be written as 26 feet. And next is our 47 feet 2 inches. So I have already converted. You can also convert it by, first of all, you will have to take 2 inches divided by 12 and you will get the value of in feet. And you can just simply add it by 47 feet. So guys, once you have converted all this into feet, next step is I am going with the first method, that is we will give here Heron's formula. All of you already you have studied about Heron's formula, that is root under s whole s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay. So with this formula, we can find this, that is your area in decimal. Okay. So first of all, what we'll have to do, we will have to find this S. So what is this S? I will just tell you. So S is our, so for finding the S, we will have to divide it into two halves. So you can see here we have already divided. So one question now arises that, so why don't we have we can put here that is your Pythagoras theorem. So I will tell you that you can see we don't have that is regular and erect lengths. Okay, so that's why we cannot apply here Pythagoras formula. Okay, so next one is your what you I have divided this area into two parts. So first one is, you can see this is our 449.8 inch 26 feet, and this is our partition length, you can say. So I will measure this. So simply by measuring, you can, sorry, we will have to take the aligned one. So I have taken the linear one. So by choosing the align option, we can find this inclined area or inclined length also. So you can see here this one is in mm. So you will have to convert it into meter, sorry, feet. So like this you can find. I am just showing you the way how you can find. I have already finded this one. So here you can see this is our S, and for finding the S we have to just add A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is this? I will show you. So you can see here this, suppose we are working with this part. So this one will be our A, this one will be our B, and this part, this inclined part will be our C. So the same method will be applied for this, for here also, when we will calculate for this area. So next you can see here I have already added and divided by 2. So I get the S value, that is 65.12. So now I have the value of S, that is 65.12, and now I will just put this value in this formula. So I already know the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. So I have just written here. You can also write here. You can also write and find the value like this. So like this I have calculated, and finally I have got the value, that is 644.29. So with this formula you can find this value. So we have finded one part. So likewise we can also find the next part. Means first of all we will have to find the, that is S for this part also. So for S I have already told that like we have to add three parts and divide it by 2. So you can also go through with this length and this length and this length and divide it by 2. So like this you will have the value of S. And next again you can, that is, put the value of A, B, C from your this drawing, and you can get the answer. So I have already calculated and I got the answer of 648.44. So for the total area, simply we will have to add this two. So I have already added, you can see here. So this is in square feet. I have already finded the value in square feet. Now we already know that is 1 decimal is equal to 435.6 square feet. So for finding, so for converting this square feet into decimal, just we will have to divide it by this value, and we will get the value in decimal. So you can see here I have already rounded it up, and we get the value of 2.97. So this is in our decimal. So this is the one method, and another one I will show you. So another one is very easy. So but this is not accurate, but yes, you can also calculate in this way also. So for rectangle, means we have we have the formula for finding area, that is A into B, that is length into breadth. Okay. So in this our drawing also, we also have length into breadth. But the question is, this is in our different lengths. Okay. So what we will do, we will just average, we will take the average and we will find the length. Like you can see here, I have taken this 27.5 and plus 26.26 feet. Means from here, this is 27.5 and 26. So I have taken length, means I will show you. Length means this one is our length L, this two is our L, and this two is our B. So I will take this two length and I will take the average one. And for the breadth also, I will take by the same method. So you can see here I have added this two length of length means L and divided it by 2 so that we can get average length of the 2L. Okay, so next one is our B. So for B also I have done similarly as I have done for L. I have taken these two lengths, means 47 feet 2 inches, and this one is our 47 feet 47.16 feet, and plus I have added here 49.66 feet and divided it by 2, so to get the average length. Once I got the average length of these two, and next is our I will simply find the area. So we all know how to find the area of a rectangle. Just we'll have to do the length into breadth. So I have done here length into breadth. So next step is our to convert it into decimal. Simply we will have to this one is in our square feet, and we will divide this value in our, that is 435.6, and we will get the value in decimal. So if you will round this value, you will get 2.97 decimal. So this is our decimal. So these are the two methods by which you can find and convert the plot area from square feet into decimal. Okay, so you can see we have almost have the same value, that is 2.97, and here is also we have the same value of 2.97. So you can go with any of this value. So this one is the quicker method, and this will take you some this will take you some time to convert and to calculate the value. So this is the quicker method. So I hope this video will be helpful for you, especially for those who are going to construct their house and purchasing plots. So if you find this video helpful, then like this video, share with your friends, and comment